Hello everyone, this is my video for the SAS Viya 2, and my name is Nathan Kotas. And with that, we can go ahead and get started with the practice and working through some of these steps that we have on to the right, and to the left is my SAS Viya. So I already went ahead and opened the browser and did one through this. I got to the product report. And so we'll move on to C, which is view the product analysis page. So this is the page they are referring to. In the upper right corner of the report, click this button right here. And we have the same screen here. And so scroll down to view the links. So yeah, they're right here. And so this step 2 is view report objects and use actions between graphs to answer the following questions. Well, let's go ahead and go back. Let's see here. To get to this, I believe. Let's see. We're still in this one. Let's see here. Need to get to product categories. I think we need to do this one. Aha. Alright, so we have the same screen as here, and this already has the questions answered for us. And this is top trim, which is right here. Can zoom in a little bit and see some of those different ones. And then these are just some of the products down here. We can find these things as well. Let's see here. Product name, quantity, product. I'm trying to find this. I'm clicking on this, and let's see if it'll happen, if it'll work with. If we can do it all the way, if it'll work. Here we go. This is why I clicked the wrong one, but it's the same concept as us clicking the fitness and getting more information about that. Alright, so we want to close this now. Go back to here. This is referencing these down here. And we want to switch it to profit, and it switches it to profit. And yeah, with that, we're approaching 5.5 minutes for this video, so I don't want to make it too long that I can't upload it to YouTube. But yeah, going forward, I will continue to work through this and continue to work through some of the key tools that Satisfy offers. Thank you.